Yes, it is generally okay to buy an iPhone that is factory unlocked. In fact, many people prefer to purchase factory unlocked iPhones because they offer more flexibility and convenience compared to carrier-locked devices. When you buy a factory unlocked iPhone, it means that the phone is not tied to any specific carrier or contract. You can use it with any compatible carrier of your choice by simply inserting the SIM card. This allows you to switch between carriers or use local SIM cards when traveling internationally, which can often be more cost-effective than roaming services. Here are some advantages of buying a factory unlocked iPhone. Carrier freedom. You have the freedom to choose any carrier and switch between them without any restrictions or unlocking procedures. This gives you more options to find the best service or deals that suit your needs. International use. With a factory unlocked iPhone, you can use local SIM cards when traveling abroad, avoiding expensive roaming charges. This allows you to take advantage of local carrier plans and services, making communication more affordable. Resale value. Factory unlocked iPhones generally have higher resale value compared to carrier-locked devices. Since they can be used with any carrier, they appeal to a larger market, which increases their demand and potential selling price. Software updates. Factory unlocked iPhones typically receive software updates directly from Apple without any delay. Carrier-locked devices, on the other hand, may need to wait for carrier approval before receiving updates, which can sometimes result in delays. It's worth noting that factory unlocked iPhones are often more expensive upfront compared to carrier-locked devices. However, the additional cost can be justified by the flexibility and benefits they offer, especially if you plan to use the phone with different carriers or travel frequently. Ultimately, the decision to buy a factory unlocked iPhone depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider your usage patterns, future plans, and budget before making a purchase.